Oh man, it's not starting. Shook. Okay, let's do the kick. Oh. Cool. So here we go. So I think there is some problem with my starter. Maybe I should go and check it out. This is what we have to do when we do a motor blogging. You know, to keep it here, come back. Okay, let's go further. So let me tell you about OK2Board. Today I'm going to eat this brown rice, varugu, some sort of millet, some sort of dal with interesting thing. We have some, what do you call it, some sweet. This is yogurt with sesame seed. Oops, it's dropping. This is my favorite. Let me keep it here. And you have potato curry. Do you know about OK2Board? You don't know what is OK2Board and how actually that is killing me now. Cool. Okay, here we go. So OK2Board. This OK2Board, it's like literally what I call that. It literally spoiled my whole trip. Literally. So let me tell you. So actually, let me go through the online. Okay, what is OK2Board? It's not for all the passengers, but it's for few countries. In your ticket, stating that OK2Board is yes, you can board a flight. Okay, so these are mostly meant for the passengers from India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka maybe, Bangladesh, who are actually going to Gulf countries. Okay, there is very interesting part. Okay, so OK2Board is mandatory for the below categories. The bike, all the passengers holding ECR passport. ECR passport, that's like an Indian, it's like immigration check required passport. So I don't need an immigration check required. So, and who are actually going for work visa, labor, you know, to work there. So they actually need this. So, but let me tell you one thing. I mean, there's a slight different or slight change of plan. Let me come close to you. Slight change of plan. I was going to from Cochin to Sharjah to Istanbul, but what happened, my flight, the Sharjah to Istanbul flight got cancelled. Oh, let me focus properly. Okay, fine, that's my eyes. So that got cancelled, not for 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, for whole month. So what can I do now? I have to go. So I was just going through different routes, and you know, like, then I came across there is this one flight. It's an Indian based flight which goes to Cochin to not Sharjah but to Muscat, Oman, and from Oman I get a different flight and I go to Istanbul. Fine, everything's cool, and I call the customer care, blah blah blah, and he even offered me like, hey, can I book your ticket? I like, no problem, I can book online because it's much cheaper and blah blah. And I went and I booked and all the thing, and suddenly on the ticket I can see OK2Board is telling N. And I'm like, what is this OK2Board? Because I never encountered something like this. Then I started calling that airlines guy and like asking. They told like, they don't have any clue, literally tell. So I told like, see, I'm not getting out of the airport. I will be in the international transit. I'll be just passing by and taking a transit plane and go. And these are all the details. So I shot them a mail with all my passport details, my visa details of Turkey visa details, plus my what else, ticket, you know, from. So the layover time or stopover, whatever you call it, it's just around 3.5 hours. That's it. It's not even 1 day, it's not even 6 hours. I just had a lunch, it's good. Okay, so I was just calling because I never got a reply from these guys. 3 days, I think around 3 days, they sent me a mail and say send me a link. Okay, please go through this. Okay, so I went through that, and there is something called transit without a visa. Means you can transit Muscat International Airport without a visa under 6 hours. Like, cool, because I'm like under 3 hours, you know, like 2.5 hours, something like that. So, and I called this customer care again. Let me sit back. I called this customer care again, and come back to me, come close to me. Okay, before that I want to show you this. It's beautiful, right? It's a sort of a football sort of ground. So I called this customer care again, and I asked them like, hey, this is from your website and sent by your customer care, and you know, just to have a verbal detail that hey, this is correct or not. And that lady put me on hold for like quite a long time, and she came back to me like, hey, okay to board is not needed, and it's only needed if your passport is ECR, immigration check required, but you don't need because your passport does not need that. I like, cool. And so I can just go to the airport and transit and go. Okay, here is the one important question. Okay, so I and my other friend who just happens to meet, and I know him, but you know, like coincident that we both are going together. So from here Pondicherry, I'm going to Chennai in a bus or something. Then from there I'm going to Cochin in a train. Then I'm going to take a flight. Okay, so I don't know what's going to happen at Cochin airport. I really don't know. I'm like I have all this proof and all this thing. So I have a like small recording also, which I'm going to play you now. Check it out.
Hold, sir.
Yes. For so long.
Yes, I would like. Yeah. So as I checked with my senior, they told me that from India to Muscat, there is no required for the OK to board, no required for the transit visa.
Okay, come back. So I have all this thing, but still 100% I don't know what's going to happen at Cochin airport. Okay, but I mean like it was so easy. I mean, like I booked the first flight and everything fine, and suddenly there is a twist. I got a mail from this flight guys, and like cancelled, and everything gone haywire. Calling, I mean, like for the last 5 days, you guys will. I mean, like it was crazy because there was a total miscommunication. There was no communication. There are a lot of problems. I'm not going to tell you the name of the aircraft or the airlines company. And let's see what's happening in Cochin. Maybe after that I can let you know if it's. I think it's going to be happening. I may be going. No, I will go. I know that. So this is what actually I wanted to update you guys, and this is what is happening now. So before that, I will be going for PCR test. So I'm going to take you guys there and show you like how. I heard people like they put something in the tongue and the nose. It's like something irritating. Let me see. Whatever happens, you're going to see. So this is my update now, and yeah. Hope you guys are cool and welcome, and you know, like this thing. And then don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Sean Paddy, and share, and plus my other channel, Hindi channel called Lost Island Boy, and my food channel called Street Leases. That will be really helpful. And yeah, that's all. I'm going to do something interesting in Turkey. You know, like something it's going to be very adventurous, something different. That's the whole plan, you know. But you don't know when you go there what's happening. You really don't know. Things are sort of not every time in your hand, so it has to go sometime with the flow. So that's the update. So okay, how was my lunch? leave a comment. Hope you guys like it, right?